Okay, here we are replacing the fuel pressure sensor. So I got a T25 Torx. Yeah, you need this mini ratchet thing because of the space in here, and I put a rag down there to catch the spillage of the gasoline. It's gonna be high pressure thing. So I'm gonna loosen it up and replace it. Go. Just slowly pull it out. Yep. There will be some gasoline pouring in. Yeah, just put some rugs in there. Yep. Yeah, it's not gonna like blow out or something, especially if it's parked overnight. So, oh, this is the original Volvo, but yep, there's a Volvo stamp on it. Okay, time to put the new one in. You just like put it there, and that's it.